Hello, today I have a tier trade with items from Dollar Tree along with Christmas DIYs. DIY number one, I have 3 floral vases. I'm going to be using only 2. I'm going to take them outside and I am going to use Rust-Oleum white paint. I have this bowl and these 2 plates and I am going to start assembling this tier tray. So now that these vases are completely dry, we will start hot gluing the plates and the vase together. For a permanent hold, use E6000. Look at this. This is not even finished and look how beautiful it's turning out. This is going to look very high-end. I am loving it and this is not even done. I love the colors of these plates. I think it makes it look very elegant. Leave me in the comment section what you think about these colors. And now this tier tray, once it's done, you could use it to put food, cater when your families and friends come over, or you could just put decorations. I will be putting this tier tray to the side for now, and let's begin with DIY number 2. I purchased these little houses at Dollar General last year on sale for 20 cents each. I also have these reindeers. I got these at Dollar Tree. I will be using 2 of them. Using this white chalk paint, I am going to paint the front of this house. I'm going to be taking this metal piece and this little door, sand it down a little, and then paint it in white like I said before. And now that both of these little houses are painted, I'm going to use this brown acrylic paint to paint the roof. And now that both of these houses are completely dry, I have these little pine cones. I'm going to hot glue it and put it right there in the middle where you see that heart. I'm going to do the same thing to both. And then I'm going to take the reindeer and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it right below that in the center. It's going to look beautiful. This is going to be for the tier tray. Here is a closer look. I have this ribbon, and with this ribbon I'm going to make 2 different bowls for both of these little houses. And off camera I went on with a little bit of hot glue and I glue it. I have also these silver berries. I will be putting 1 berry in the middle of each of the bowls. Moving along to DIY number 3. I have this little tree and this vinyl. I'm going to cut a piece of it and then I am going to glue it to the tree. That's going to be the front of the tree. This vinyl is made for the Cricut machine, but as you can tell, I am going to just go ahead and glue it in front of this Christmas tree, and then I'm going to decorate it. And I am making 3 different trees, you'll see. Let's decorate this tree. I have this little star from Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue it to the back of this tree. And I also made a bow off camera. And I'm also going to glue that right by the star. I'm going to put these 2 pine cones right under the bowl. And I'm also putting that jute twine in the bottom of the tree and gluing it and securing it in the back. And this is how it's looking so far. I think I love it. And I have these wire berries. I'm going to put it in the border, just like you see here. This is a really quick DIY, number 4. I took this little bitty tree and I did the same process of the bigger tree. I have this picture frame. And here goes the little tree. I'm going to put Jingle Block in the back so it could look 3D. If you follow me, you know that I love this look of 3D. A little bit of jute twine in the bottom, and once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it to the frame. And with these popsicle sticks, I'm also going to elevate this beautiful sign that says, let it snow, just like you see here, right there. Yep. And I'm going to hot glue it. And I will be hot gluing it above the Christmas tree. And I also have this little white star. I painted this also in white. And I'm going to be adding it in top of the Christmas tree. And I also added off camera those two diamond, one on the snowflake and the other one on the star. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And moving along to DIY number 5. I am going to also decorate this tree with this mop hair. I'm going to disassemble it and wrapping it around the Christmas tree. This is very simple. You just keep going around, and wherever you feel that it needs a little bit of hot glue, you just go ahead and add it, just like you see in right here. It's really simple. And off camera, I added the Let It Snow, the bowl, and I also added the ribbon, black and white ribbon in the bottom of this tree. And moving along now to my next DIY. And I did the same thing to this tree, but I added the mop hair, and I'm going to put it all over the border of this tree. And with these ribbons that you see here, I will make a bigger bowl. I will hot glue it on top. And also I have a snowflake and those wooden beads that you see there. I tied it up there with some jute twine. And these pine cones are also going to be hot glued on top of here. And that's not to mention that once that is glued in place, I have another star that I am going to be gluing in the back of this tree. So far, which is your favorite tree? Leave me a comment and let me know. Look at how gorgeous this one is turning out. I love the way this little snowflake looks along with those beads. I think it looks beautiful. I actually think this is my favorite tree. And with this star, I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the first tree. I'm gluing this beautiful star that I got at Dollar Tree right here in the back. So these 3 trees are going to go standing up. So I'm going to use Jenga blocks on all 3 of them. And I'm going to put it in place right here. And this is how it looks. I am loving it. She's So Crafty did a tree, not a tree, but a something similar with, I think it was a deer and a snowman with these mop heads. You need to go and check her channel out. She is amazing. And if you like this tree, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I truly will appreciate that thumbs up. And I'm going to do something similar with this Christmas bell. So let's start with the next DIY. This is going to be a very quick DIY. I hope you enjoy it. So with this mop head, I am going to take hot glue and I am going to glue it along the whole frame just one time. I have these silver poinsettias and I am going to be wrapping them on top just to give it a little bit more of a high-end look. And I love this checker ribbon. I've got this at Dollar Tree and I am loving it. It just gives it that high-end look. It just elevates it. And this is how the bell looks all put together. I am loving this bell. I hope you like it as well. And here is a final look of all the DIYs put together. There goes the tier tray. I am loving that tier tray. Also these beautiful Christmas trees. If you enjoy DIYs on a budget, then this is the channel that you want to subscribe to. Also, don't forget to comment and let me know what you think about my DIYs. Which one was your favorite? Share with your families and friends so like that they can also enjoy this video. Thank you once again, and I will see you soon. Adios.